like near us.
I thought they were rocks and something was hitting it, and I was like, they're moving, and then I thought they were ducks. And then once we got closer, I thought it was a fin.
Out of all people, you're doing so.
What does that have to do with anything?
You're a child. You're a little angel.
We've been hanging with them for 20 minutes.
Neutral. Or we'll slow it.
Wow, there's so many of them.
Can you film for a couple of minutes
Yeah, I'm
so I
gonna
can
try and
enjoy
get a
them?
picture. Oh, we're getting closer. We're getting closer.
Yeah, we passed that Jamestown a little bit. We're heading towards I saw the baby. It just jumped out of the water.
Yeah.
I see it. It has a smaller fin. There's like 3 of them. Yeah, I saw him. Actually, we are done. But I'd slow it down just a little bit. But he's speeding up. Oh, there's one over there.
It almost looks like they're swimming this way now. Bill, I think they're swimming this way.
No, they're not, Mom.